I started trading 2.5 years ago. Since then, I've been working almost by myself. He only showed me the business, and that's it. Nobody helped me before that or after that. And it's been a while, and it took me a lot of effort. It took me a lot of time. It took me a lot of money. But now, after 2 years and a half, I'm successful. When I first faced the business, I immediately recognized the potential, the uh, the significance. It was my first time. Nobody told me how far I could get, but instantly I found this. I felt really integrated, and I'm very, very happy for that. Yeah, I started with Nasdaq, but I don't know. I didn't felt comfortable, and when I was on my own, I started looking and I started researching, and I found that S&P was my instrument for me. I felt comfortable. I felt that I could have a chance, because sometimes I try another instruments and they were so slow. I got really desesperated. But the S&P just fits right for me. I'm spending maybe 2 hours in the morning after the opening. I try only to make one trade a day, no more than one. Once it's done, I'm done for the day. I just try to wait the right time, the right moment to get in, and my profit comes no more than 2-3 minutes when I do it right. It could take me longer a little bit sometimes, but
Okay.
I try to finish early, fast. I never heard about you before. It was the first contact. I felt comfortable since the beginning. I always liked the service, the chat online. I always felt comfortable, always. And since then, now after a long time, I'm success with you, with your management. I think it's always good to have something behind you, somebody that it's been on the business more longer than me, someone that I could have a helping hand right next to me. It's like you right now. You're interested in what I'm doing, and I'm interested as well, or on what you're doing. And that's what I found convenient, to have someone behind me. Sure, I will definitely always recommend OneUp Trader. One of my uncles is with you already, a friend of mine, but definitely you will have my recommendation. I wrote already my review, and I'm very happy, very comfortable, and I hope really to get very, very far with you. It's like I told you, you need someone to help you, and that's the most important thing that you have, I think, comparing to others. The great and the wonderful service that you have online, people behind the screen is just wonderful. They're always willing to help. They're always polite. They're always trying to resolve your problem. I had connection problems. I mean, you can name it. They are always there, 24 hours, 7 hours, 7 days a week. It's just wonderful at any time. Man, it's the best that I can have with you. The process has been easy. It's been, I mean, without no problems, except for the time that I couldn't get logged in. But your support told me that I had to erase the cookies and the caches, and I did it, and it went through. You guys always send me like messages giving me the analysis and the dashboard and the community. That's how you and your company make me do better every day. My last one, it was at 25,000. I requested on Friday, and by the next Monday, it was already on my account. So the withdrawal process, man, I gotta tell you, it's wonderful. It couldn't be better. It's just great. I'm very, very happy with the withdrawal process, and no complaints. Just congratulations the company for the great job and the great service you give. Yeah, I'm trying to make another withdrawal maybe this Friday, another 25,000. And from there, I'm thinking about just grow the account until I get tired. No, not at all. Once I send the email, they email me back in maybe 30 minutes, telling me that my requesting was under processing, but never told me on the review or something like that. They were just told me it was on processing of transferring the money, and that's it. And that's it. No further questions, no further anything. Wonderful. That's what I like the most. The service that I have 24/7, man, I love it. That's why I'm with you. So with the support and the online service, it's just wonderful. I mean, it's a 5-star service. I didn't pay anything. Once I got funded, they just sent me the new credentials, got logged in, and that's it. I didn't pay anything. That's a great point to take. Actually, I had 2 warnings the other day, maybe 2 weeks ago. I decided to start earlier. I didn't check the economic calendar, and I made a violation in terms of the hours. I received 5 emails telling me that I had to take care of that, telling me that I had 2 warnings and nothing's gonna happen, but please, they told me, don't do it again. They sent me the link to check the calendar, and after that, I didn't have any problem at all. Before I start my trading, I check the calendar and respect the rules.